Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Can I continue, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Good evening, guys. We'll try to continue with the same topic, integration. As I said, we people are little bit confused while we are doing integration of few of the functions because we may get some confusion in differentiation and integrating formulas. So let's try to discuss a few of the complicated questions which we have not discussed in the previous classes. Let's see, guys. The first question, what he's asking, integral cot square x into dx. Integral cot square x into dx. What is the integration of cot square x into dx? Any idea? Can we have any formula, direct formula?
The integration of cot x into cot x, sir.
I don't have, I mean, till now, we did not discuss that integral UV product rule. As I said, it is complicated. On the last class, I'll try to discuss that particular concept. So we don't have that cot x means f and g should be different. That u and v must be different. So here he has given cot square. Now see here how we can get the integration of this function. Integral cot square x, I can write it as cosecant square x minus 1 into dx.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1.
So if any trigonometric ratio comes in square, you should use the trigonometric identity which you discussed, right?
Suppose he has given sine square. Suppose he is asking integral sine square. I cannot use identity because sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So even though if I'm taking sine square is equal to 1 minus cos square, again you will be having the same problem. That depends upon the given problem, given ratio. For cot and tan, we can convert. But for cosecant and secant squares, we can have the direct formulas.
Okay.
Yes or no? Integral sec squared theta is a tan theta. Integral cosec squared theta is cot theta. For cosecant and secant squares, we can have the direct formulas. Now I can get the required answer. Integral cosecant square x into dx minus integral 1 into dx. Integral 1 into dx. Integral cosecant square x means, what is the formula? Integral cosecant square x.
Square minus cot x plus c.
Very good. It is minus cot x. What is mean by integral 1?
X plus c.
It is just minus x plus c is the required answer. So observe the given question carefully and you can proceed.
So it should be minus c, right? Because minus x plus c will become minus x minus c, right?
Yeah, that's your choice. Even though if I'm taking, generally we can take plus c. Okay. If you are taking minus c, if it is useful for us, then you can take minus c also. But there is no difference if I'm taking either plus c or minus c.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So that is a constant. You can take either 1 or minus 1. It will become a constant only, no change. C is a constant value. If you are taking 1 or minus 1, there is no difference.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the third step, why minus cot square did not come, sir?
Thus again, you go back to trigonometry and you can find this identity. I have written this step. In trigonometry, the clearly we people have explained. Instead of cot square, I don't have any formula for integral cot square. I can make use of the identity. Just I have converted cot in terms of cosecant because I know the formula for integral cosecant square. Integral cosecant square is minus cot. It is direct formula in an integration.
Okay, sir.
The second question, integral under the root of 1 plus sine 2x. Just you have to think over it. As I said, the problems which I'm taking are not discussed so far. I'm taking the different questions, guys. I should be careful and how we are doing these questions. Just you have to observe. And
Sir, can I say?
yes, please. Yes.
Sir, we can use root x differentiation or something
No,
like
I
that.
don't have any. We don't have any square root of x formula. We don't have any square root of x formula. We can have 1 by root x. I can have, but I don't have any formula for 1 by sorry, just root x. Let us see, guys, how we can reduce this. You know that what is meant by sine square plus cos square?
Yes, sir. 1.
Yes. Don't forget the previous concepts. That is the trigonometry. As I said, it is an universal topic which can be used in any one of the chapters, any of the chapters of mathematics or in physics. And even what is meant by sine 2x and what we can write sine 2x.
Sir, 2 sin x cos x.
Yeah, so I can make use of these two identities and see here that my intention is to eliminate that, remove that square root. There is a problem with the square root because I don't have any formula for integral square root. So I can write it as sine 2x as 2 sin x cos x. It is integral square root of 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. First I can write
Sir, 1 is
1
equals to square
sine
plus
square
cos.
plus cos square. First I can write and then I can proceed. Sine square x plus cos square x.
Sir, we can
Sine
write
square
sin
x
x plus
So A,
cos
A
x
plus
whole
B whole
square.
square, sir.
A plus b
plus
whole square.
2 sin x cos x. Yes, you are absolutely
A
correct.
plus B whole
Yes, you are absolutely correct. That is equal to integral
Sin
a
x
plus
plus
b
cos
whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab form. A value is sin x and b value is cos x. That is whole square. Very good. And you know that square root will get cancelled or not?
yes.
This square and then root will get cancelled. What I am going to get here is equal to integral sin x plus cos x. It is sin x plus cos x
Minus
into
cos
dx.
x.
Yeah, so you know that integral sin x is minus cos x and integral cos x is plus sin x. Let's see. This is one important question.
sir.
Yes,
So we can't use 1 plus sine 2x dx power 1 by 2.
if you are using 1 plus sin 2x divided by 2, sorry, whole power 1 by 2, which formula you are going to apply? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. If any constant is there, that constant must be in denominator. But 1 plus sin 2x is not a constant, it is one function.
Okay.
Clear? I cannot take the function in denominator. I can take only the constant. Suppose sin 2x is there. The integral sin 2x is cos 2x. And the 2 exist in denominator. So here, what you said, if you are taking integral 1 plus sin 2x whole power 1 divided by 2 into dx. And if I'm applying x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is correct. But what about this 1 plus sin 2x? Right? So here it is one expression. If any constant is there, that constant exists in denominator. You cannot apply directly. Okay? And even in terms of the cos, we can have few of the formulas. The formulas what I'm going to write, cos 2x is also there, which will create a problem for us always. That is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x, and even I can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x.
దేంట్లో వచ్చింది దేంట్లోనా
Is it clear? Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, and then 2 cos square x minus 1. So how we can get it? 2 cos square x minus 1. Thus we can write it as the sin square as 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x. And if you want, we can rewrite, I mean, reduce the given problem in terms of sign also. Cos 2x, cos and sine, cos 2x only in terms of cos 2x only in terms of sine. And from this relation, from equation 1, I can deduce all these formulas I have discussed in trigonometry, guys. And from this, I can deduce 1 plus cos 2x. See that you are in mute. So always try to see that you are in mute. 2 cos square x and 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sine square x. It is 2 sine square x.
Sir, I have a doubt.
So here, these are the trigonometric ratios. These are the trigonometric ratios already we have discussed in trigonometry. Or let us see from equation number 1, and if I'm taking 2, if I'm taking 3, you will get the required relations what I have deduced here. Right? These two relations you will get from equations 2 and 3. This minus 1, throw it on left hand side. 1 plus cos 2x, these two will be on left hand side. You will get cos square x. Or 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x, and 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. These are the formulas we can remember, we can take from the trigonometry, right? Trigonometric identities, and already I have discussed these concepts. Yes, Shashank?
Sir,
Yes.
why did you change the signs in the last step, sir?
Where?
Sir, in the problem. Sir, in the second problem and also.
Yeah, to make this as a perfect square, if you are making this as a square, a square plus b square plus 2ab is the formula of a plus b whole square, so that the square root will get cancelled. Square and then root will get cancelled.
Sir, not that, sir. Here, integral of sin x plus cos x dx, no, sir.
Yes.
Then you applied integral formula and did it, sir.
Yes. Integral sin x means what?
Minus cos x.
That is what I have written.
Sir, and in cos 2, when you did cos 2x, why you wrote 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x.
All these formulas I have discussed in trigonometry. Already I proved also. Just you can see the first chapter, the first lesson of your trigonometry. Okay. Already I proved also. Right. Now we'll go for question number 3. So I can make use of these cos functions to rewrite, to reduce this problem, to get this problem, to solve this problem. Third question, just what he has given, let us observe carefully, guys. The question is under the root of 1 minus cos 2x. It is 1 minus cos 2x. Integral times into dx. Integral of dx. 1 minus cos 2x integral dx. So you can make use of this formula. 1 minus cos 2x means I can write it as 2 sine square x. That is entirely under the root. So you should take this is under the root of 2 sine square x. These are the concepts are most important, guys. As I said, these are the topics will be useful in first 11th year of your physics. But in mathematics, I can teach this integration in second year, 12th standard. But you people are using these integrations in first year of your physics. So without basic foundation or foundation for IIT, you cannot understand physical concepts. That is the topic which we are going to study in physics, 11th standard. I'm repeating again, this is the topic I'm taking from 12th standard of your mathematics. but these topics will be useful in physics of 11th standard. Clear? Let us see. I can separate it. That root 2 will comes outside, and square root of sine square x means only sine x. Square and sine, square and then root will get cancelled for sine. Let us take root 2 outside because it is a constant. Integral sine x into dx. Yes, Shashank, what is integral sine x?
Minus cos x, sir.
So it is minus cos x plus c. Your answer is minus root 2 cos x. Minus root 2 cos x. So we are using the trigonometric identities for solving of this question. And these are not so easy, guys. Anyhow, we'll try to discuss this type of questions also, so that we can able to understand how to reduce the given expressions. 1 plus cos square x divided by 1 minus cos 2x into dx. Let us see how we are reducing this problem expressions. Hopefully the numerator cannot be changed. You can take as it is. Try to
Sir,
reduce,
1 plus
try to
cos
change.
square x divided by sine square 2 sine square x.
You can write 2 sine square x, and afterwards you can apply. That depends upon the integrating formulas. Integral 1 plus cos square x divided by 2 sine square x into dx. 1 minus cos 2x means it is 2 sine square x. Take constant outside 1 by 2. 1 divided by sine square x plus cos square x divided by sine square x into dx. Hope it is clear. This step is clear. Hope all of you, this step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Very good. And afterwards, I don't have any formula for integral 1 by sine square. Can I write this as cosecant square?
Yes, sir. And then tan square.
Cos divided by sine means is it cot square?
Cot, sir.
Right. I don't have any formula for integral cot square as the we people have used in the first question. Cot square, can I write it as cot square? Can I write it as cosecant square x minus 1? Yes, please. As I'm correct, because I can have the formula for integral cosecant square and secant square, but I don't have any formula for cot square. This is equal to 1 divided by 2 integral 2 cosecant square x. 2 cosecant square x minus 1 into dx.
So 2 we can take constant, sir.
So you can apply integration for individual expressions or terms. So first I can take 2 outside integral cosecant square x into dx minus integral 1 into dx is equal to 1 divided by 2. 2 is outside already. Integral cosecant square x means it is minus cot x minus x plus c. So you can distribute this 1 by 2. That's 2 will cut minus cot x and minus x divided by 2 plus c. So see here, the question is easy, but after splitting this, after reducing this into simplest form. Otherwise, the question is not so easy, guys. But once, if you are perfect in all the trigonometric identities, you can able to understand. If you are not perfect in trigonometric identities, that is in second chapter that what we people have discussed, then there is a problem for you guys. Be careful while we are discussing integrating concepts, even differentiation. So you people always try to concentrate on the formulas. And here, let us concentrate on which formula I'm going to apply. Cosecant square, I have the direct formula, but I don't have any formula for cot square. Cot square, we can write it as cosecant square x minus 1. And in the first step, if I'm splitting directly 1 divided by 1 minus cos 2x, I don't have any formula. So we can write 1 minus cos 2x as 2 sine square x. That's it from this question. Yes, Srinidhi, any doubt? Srinidhi.
Sir, in the last step, sir, you wrote x by 2. How it came, sir?
That's I'm multiplying this 1 by 2, distributing of 1 by 2. The 2 cancel for the first term.
Okay,
But
sir.
for the second term, minus 1 by 2 into x, it will become x by 2.
Okay, sir.
Hope it is clear. This 1 by 2 is distributed for both the expressions or terms.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Next, any other doubts, guys, from this question? And as I said, these questions are not so easy, but anyhow, at this level that we people are discussing, even this type of complicated questions also, so that we can get an idea in 11th and 11th standard of your physics. The basic formulas we have in physics, but in mathematics, I can discuss this concept in 12th standard. Next problem number 4 from this topic. Next problem, integral secant square x into cosecant square x into dx. Don't worry, we cannot get an idea for this question. We never get an idea for this question. Okay, so secant square, cosecant square, it is in product, but I cannot get any formula for product rule. Till now, we don't have any formula. And even if I'm applying the formula, it is so complicated, so we cannot use the product rule for this question. So if the question is complicated, as I said, guys, always try to use the trigonometric identities. Sir, which identity I can apply? Let us see. I can make use of this as secant square as 1 by cos square. Can we write 1 by cos square into cosecant square as 1 divided by sine square x into dx? Hope you can understand this step.
Sir,
Yes.
the tan x minus cot x plus c.
Yes, absolutely. Yes. The numerator, I can take it as 1, and denominator, if you are observing, cos square x into sine square x into dx. Now there is one important point that I'm using here. Can we write this one as sine square plus cos square or not? This one as sine square plus cos square. Hope you can understand this step. The denominator is cos square x plus, the denominator is cos square x into
Sine square x.
sine square x into cos square x. Sine square x into cos square x plus cos square x divided by the second part, cos square x into sine square x. Clear? Hope this step is clear for all of you guys.
Sir,
Yes, I
can you
have
explain
Yes,
again?
Just I have explained sine square divided by cos square sine square plus cos square divided by cos square sine square. That's it.
Sine square cut and cos square cos x.
Here in the first step, sine square cut. In the second step, second expression, cos square cut. The rest of the part, if I'm observing, integral 1 divided by cos square x into dx plus integral 1 divided by sine square dx. So instead of the product that we people have reduced in terms of the sum addition.
So it's equals
That
to
is
integral
yeah.
secant square x plus
Integral
cosecant
cosecant square x. Integral cosecant square x into dx. Hope you can understand this step also. So in the given question, we have the product, but now we are getting in terms of the addition, f plus g. That's we are getting in terms of the addition. This is equal to integral secant square means directly tan
So minus cot
and
x plus c.
minus cot x plus c is the required answer. So once you can see how we people are proceeding. First, let us see. We don't have any formula for secant square into cosecant square. I know the formula for secant square plus cosecant square. If they are individual functions, I can apply integrating formulas. But they are together. We can have together formula. So we don't have any formula. So we can take it as what? Just splitting this 1 by cos square in place of secant and 1 by sin square. This 1 can be replaced by sin square plus cos square, and after that we are splitting it. Sin and then cos will get cancelled in both the expressions. And again, how we are getting 1 by cos square plus 1 by sin square. It is directly secant square plus cosecant square. Direct formulas, guys. Integral secant square means tan. Integral cosecant square means minus cot. I am repeating again. If you are perfect at least 50% for this year, then definitely these points will be helpful for your future classes, guys. Hope this question is clear. And as I'm repeating again, these questions are not so easy. But even though that we people are discussing this type of questions also. Can I go for the next problem? Problem number 5. Fifth question. Integral secant x into tan x plus 3 divided by x plus x cube minus cos x into dx. Direct formulas. If you are completed, simply raise your hands. Don't reveal the answer, please. Just wait for 1 minute and try to raise your hands. The direct formulas for all the expressions terms what we have. So we have the direct formulas for the given question. Srinidhi completed. Very good job. Good job, Srinidhi. Wait for 30 seconds. I'll ask you, don't worry. And rest of the people, you can complete, guys, and try to compare your answer. Even Ritvik also completed. Make it fast, make it fast. Don't do mistakes, guys. In competitive examinations, only one attempt will be given to you. Why? Because the bubbling system is there. Once you can dark it, that you cannot change your answer. Okay, so please be careful. And Srinidhi, your answer?
Sir, sec x plus 3 log x plus 3 log x plus x power 4 by 4 minus sin x plus c.
Ritvik, your answer?
Sir, secant x plus 3 log x plus x plus 3 log plus 4 x to the power 4, sir, minus
What is the integral?
minus sin x, sir.
Minus sin x. What is the third term? Third term x. For integral x cube means what you told?
Sir, x power 4 by
Sir,
4.
4x to the power 4.
That is important.
Sir,
Minus.
4x to the power 2, sir.
No. You are deviated again. That's I'm repeating again. Don't be confused here. That is a problem. Integral differentiation always will create a problem, guys. Be careful. It is the direct formula. Integral secant into tan means secant. plus 3 into what Srinidhi said, it is absolutely correct. 3 log x plus in an integration means power will be increases. As I'm repeating again, integration increasing with the same letter I, integration increasing, differentiation decreasing. So x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 minus cos integration is just a sign minus cos integration is just a sign. Your answer is just plus C is the required answer.
Sir, I also got the same answer.
Yes, very good.
Sir, minus cos x means sin, no, sir.
Integral cos means a sign. I'm not discussing about minus sign. This is outside of your integration. That is none of our business. Whether it is minus sign or plus sign, that is operation what he has given. That we never concentrate. Where we are concentrate, we can concentrate only for your expression of the function what he has given. We have only cos x. Integral cos means I can write just a sign. Integral
Okay,
sign
sir.
means I can write minus cos. Suppose sin x is there. Integral sign means I can write minus cos. Hope you can understand. What are the operations he has given? That's none of our business. You never concentrate on its sign. You just throw it outside of your integration. Even any constant is there like 3 divided by x, the 3 will be throw it outside of your integration, right? Constant operations will not considered in an integration. Hope this question is clear. X cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1 integral dx. It is a simple question if you are observing the given question carefully. I'll give just 30 seconds, guys. You can able to give the answer. Shashank, down your hand. Down your hand. Down your hand. Yes, very good. Rest of the guys, just think over it and try to identify how to get the required answer for this question. The question is not difficult, not so difficult. You have to observe it and which identity are going to use. Any idea by anybody? Srinidhi, Smith, Shashank, Sarandeep, Ritvik, Rohan. Any idea? Ashish, Alam, Ranveer, Vigneet, Manogna. What about Girish? Shrestha, Sushma. Anyone? It is a simple identity. As I'm repeating again, don't forget the previous concepts. Don't forget the previous concepts. Yes, Srinidhi.
Sir, I'm not sure of my answer, but I got sir. X cube by 3 plus log x plus c.
Okay. Okay. X cube by 3 is correct, but how you are getting log x, I didn't understand. And how you are approaching. So can you tell me what about the denominator function? Yes, please. I can make use of this formula. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Is it there?
Yes, sir.
In algebraic identity. So can we write this numerator as x cube minus 1 cube? Can we write
Yes,
like this?
sir.
Divided by x minus 1 into dx. It is the same as a cube minus b cube. What I can
1 and
write?
x minus 1 get cancelled.
That is what I am going to apply. And remember, guys, I don't have any formula for division. In an integration, we don't have any formula for division. But in differentiation, we can have d by dx of u by v is there. But an integration, we don't have that particular formula. Be careful. So if denominator, any function is there, you have to reduce it, and that function must be either cancelled or you can reduce it into dx is equal to integral x square plus x plus 1. Even Saturday, you people are sitting and listening our classes. That's well and good, guys. Let's keep it up and don't give up. Try to attentive in a class. Very good. I really appreciate because at this time, even in weekends, that you people are concentrating. Really, these classes will be helpful in 11th standard. I'm repeating again. Without foundation, we cannot achieve the ranks after 12th standard. Without any competitive examinations, you will not enter in any of the either engineering colleges or medicine without foundation. Srinidhi,
Sir, x cube by 3 plus x square
Hmm.
by 2 plus x plus 3.
yes, x square divided by 2 plus x plus c. This is what we got. But if you're not getting an idea for reducing this numerator as x minus 1, and always try to see denominator, no term should be there, no expression should be there. Okay, so you should concentrate always. No expression should exist in denominator. We'll go for the next problem. Problem number 7. Integral sine square x divided by 1 plus cos 2x into dx. 1 plus cos 2x into dx. And as I said, today's concept is interesting and it's not so easy, guys.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Yes.
Sir, 1 by 3 into x power 4 by 4. Sorry, sir. 1 x power 4 by 12, sir. Plus,
No. Which question? Which question? Question number 7. Sine square x by 1 plus cos 2x.
okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I copied the wrong.
Can I just now I have given few of the identities. Just now I have given few of the identities. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Can I write 1 plus cos 2x as?
Sine square.
Sorry. This is sine square x divided by 2 cos square x or not?
Oh, okay, sir.
This is equal to 1 by 2 will be outside. Integral sine square upon cos square means it is tan square x into dx. So as I said, we don't have any formula for tan square. We can write it as secant square x minus 1. Hope this is clear. Tan square means secant square x minus 1. 1 divided by 2, and in bracket I can take integral secant square x into dx minus integral 1 into dx. This is equal to 1 by 2. Already it is outside. Integral secant square means it is tan x minus integral 1 means x plus c is the required answer. Hope this question is clear. That's it for today, guys, and we'll try to continue in the next class by solving few more questions from this topic. That's it for today. We'll continue in the next class. Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ranveer.
Yes, sir. I didn't understand half integral secant square x minus 1 into dx. Did we get secant square x dx minus integral of 1 dx? That I didn't understand.
Yes. Why I have done tan square x as secant square minus 1? Am I correct? And we have any
Yes, sir.
formula for integral tan square?
No, sir.
Yes. Then what is secant square minus tan square? Just now I have given for cosecant square and cot square. For cosecant square x and cot square x, I have given the formula. Same thing that we are going to apply even for this also. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. That's yes. Still any doubts? Still any doubts, guys? But else, then that's it for today. We'll continue in the next class. Good night to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Emenya?